Hi, in the last video, we created a stick figure in Blender. We rigged it and we added animations for idle and walk cycle. So in this video, I'm going to import the character um, and then use character controller and animation controller to move the character in Unity. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to drag and drop the FBX that we had created um, in the previous video, and I'm going to drag and drop in the assets folder. Um, so I would like to apply some material. Currently, there is no material on this character, so I'll create a new folder called material. By the way, I started with a new 3D Unity project. The only then I created textures folder and I imported a texture from polyheavens.com. So let's go back to materials. I'm going to create new material, select the color. Let's choose this one. And I'm going to reduce the smoothness to 0. I'm going to go to assets, select the stick figure, and drag and drop the material here and click apply. I'm going to rename this to material. Okay. And along with the VX, we have got our animations also, idle animation and walk animation.